Did you know that if you invest 10,000 naira every month starting at age 20, you could build over 10 million naira by the time you are 60? That's the incredible power of compound interest. And in this video, I will show you how to master it and grow your wealth. Welcome to the Rich, Young, and African channel, where we break down practical strategies to build wealth and live life on your terms. Today, we're talking about one of the simplest but most powerful tools in personal finance, compound interest. If you've been wondering how to grow your money in a tough economy, this video is for you. Many Nigerians believe that building wealth is only for people with high-paying jobs or big saving accounts. But it's simply not true. The real game changer isn't how much you earn, it's how early you start and how disciplined you are with your money. Here's the challenge. The value of Naira depreciates over time due to inflation. Without investing, your hard-earned money loses purchasing power. But compound interest helps you grow your wealth faster than inflation eats it away. The truth is, even small, consistent investment can turn into significant wealth if you start early and stay disciplined. So, what exactly is compound interest? It's when your money earns interest and that interest starts earning interest too. Think of it as a money multiplier. Let me break it down. Imagine you invest 100,000 naira at 10% annual interest rate. In the first year, you will earn 10,000 naira as interest. By the second year, you will earn interest not just on your initial 100,000 naira, but also on the 10,000 naira you earned in year one. Over time, this snowball effect creates exponential growth. By investing as little as 10,000 naira into a savings or investment plan with a reasonable return, you can achieve financial milestones you never thought possible. Here is why starting early is crucial. If you invest 120,000 naira annually, starting at age 25, and stop after 10 years, you will still have more money at retirement than someone who starts investing 120,000 naira at 35 and continues for 30 years. It's all about giving your money more time to grow. This is what I call the wealth snowball. Over decades, that small snowball of 10,000 naira a month can grow into a mountain of wealth. The magic of compound interest isn't about earning more. It's about starting early, staying consistent, and letting time do the heavy lifting. Even in Nigeria's economy, with the right plan, you can secure your financial future. If you are ready to take control of your financial future, let me know your thoughts on compound interest in the comments below. And for actionable strategies, check out my book, Rich, Young, and African. It's filled with practical tips to help you build wealth, even in challenging economies like Nigeria. The book is available on Amazon, Roving Heights, and Seller. Or visit jp@tuae.com/book for more information. Links in the description. If you find this content valuable, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay inspired on your journey to financial freedom. Thank you.